Hey, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Apple Vision Pro, a headset that not only tracks your eyes with incredible precision, but also comes with a price tag that might just make you do a double take. Let's unravel the details. So let's address the elephant in the room. The Apple Vision Pro doesn't come cheap. With a starting price of $3,499, it's definitely a premium device. And if you wear glasses, there are additional costs for optical inserts or prescription lenses. AppleCare will set you back another $499 for 2 years of repairs and damage protection. Accessories like the travel case at $199 and Belkin's battery holder at $49 are also on the menu. Opening the sleek Apple Vision Pro box reveals a plethora of goodies, including the headset itself, the light seal fitted for your face, light seal cushion, and both the solo knit band and dual loop band. Throw in the Apple Vision Pro battery, polishing cloth, and a 30U USB-C power adapter. You've got quite a package. The Vision Pro stands out as the sleekest headset to date, boasting a curved glass front panel and a modular design for customization. However, it's not exactly featherlight, weighing 1.3 to 1.4 pounds. The personalized light seal prevents light leakage, and there are 2 bands, the solo knit for easing a half and the dual loop for added stability during longer sessions. Bezel scanning your face during setup, similar to Face ID, ensures a personalized light seal. The Vision Pro's design is modular, allowing easy swapping of bands and attachments. The digital crown on the right side controls immersion and volume, while the top button on the left is versatile for capturing photos, videos, and confirming purchases. Under the hood, the M2 chip handles overall performance, and the Roan chip manages input from cameras and sensors. The Vision Pro is responsive and fluid, delivering a seamless experience in various applications. However, it's not without its quirks. Occasional bugs like app refusal and Siri hiccups might make you take a breather. And there you have it, a glimpse into the intriguing world of the Apple Vision Pro. Is it worth the hefty price tag? Well, that's a decision you'll have to make based on your tech priorities. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tech explorations. This is Wasey Tech signing off. Stay tech savvy.